Creating a quiz website in WordPress is a great way to engage users and offer interactive content. Here's how to do it. Install WordPress quiz plugin. The easiest way to create quizzes is by using a plugin. Popular quiz plugins include Quiz and Survey Master, offers customizable quizzes and surveys. WP Quiz allows you to create personalized quizzes, trivia, and more. LearnDash, ideal for creating online courses with quizzes. To install, go to Plugins, Add New, search for the plugin, click Install, then Activate. Create a quiz. After activating your plugin, go to the plugin settings and create a new quiz. Follow the prompts to set quiz title and description. Add questions, multiple choice, true or false, open-ended, etc. Add answers. Include the correct answers and assign points if needed. Set result page. Customize the result page based on user answers. Customize quiz design. Many plugins offer customization options to match your website's theme. Adjust colors, fonts, and styles to ensure the quiz blends seamlessly with your site's design. Embed the quiz. Once your quiz is ready, the plugin will provide a shortcode to insert into any post or page. Simply copy and paste it where you want the quiz to appear. Publish and promote. Publish the quiz, share it on social media, and encourage users to participate. You can also analyze results to improve engagement.